Hey guys, this is a iPhone 6 Plus, and what we're doing on this today, we're fixing the hearing speaker. It's a bit low, so I'm gonna pull this down and get into it, and I'll show you the speaker when I'm in. So let's get into it. Here it is. Screen is off. This the hearing speaker is right here, so we're gonna pull this down, take out that one, try the next one, and that should correct the problem. We'll show you the finished product soon. Tim's Tech. So that's what the hearing speaker looks like. Alright, so now I'm gonna change this one. Okay, so the speaker is back in now. Let's plug it on and test it. Plug all these ribbons back on here. There. Let's check it before we seal it up properly. Starting up. Okay, so I just put a SIM in, so we're gonna try it now. We're just gonna dial like 100, and I'm gonna put hearing speaker up to the mic, so maybe you guys can hear it. So let's try that right now. That's really loud. I can hear that, and also the loudspeaker is good. That's another fix. All I need to do is close up this phone now, and that's it. Another happy customer. You know it's Tim Tech. Follow all our social media, and they're right here. Can you see them? Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay guys, travel with God. And you know, we fix it right. Let's go.